Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Ritu Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Decentralized AI, Building Robust and Scalable Systems. Imagine teaching a computer to think or make smart decisions, like recommending a movie or recognizing a cat in a photo. That's AI. Traditionally, this thinking happens in one big brain, a powerful server. Decentralized means we spread that thinking across many smaller brains. Many computers working together. Why combine them? We want AI that's smarter, safer, and never stops working, even if one brain takes a break. As a developer, you are looking for ways to build more reliable and private AI systems. Picture a giant, super smart robot brain sitting in one company's headquarters. All the data goes there. All the learning happens there. From a developer's viewpoint, you'd build your AI model, feed all your user data to one central server, and train it there. The big problems with this approach are: 1. Single point of failure. Asterisk if that one big brain breaks down, your entire AI system goes offline. 2. Privacy concerns. Asterisk all your users' sensitive data has to be collected and stored in one place, creating a massive target for breaches. 3. Scalability and cost. Asterisk making one giant brain even bigger is incredibly expensive and complex. 4. Bias control. Asterisk one entity controls all the learning, potentially leading to unfairness or lack of transparency in decisions. Instead of one giant robot brain, imagine a whole network of many smaller, smart robot brains all connected. They don't send all their data to one place, but they do collaborate to learn. As a developer, this means you're not just building one model on one server. You are designing a system where different parts of the AI, like data storage, model training, or making predictions, are spread across many different computers. The key idea here is that no single computer or company has total control or holds all the data. Instead, they share insights and work together securely. Two powerful technologies enable decentralized AI. 1. Blockchain, simplified for AI. Asterisk think of it as a super secure, shared diary where every computer in the network agrees on what's written. For AI, it can track things like model updates, data usage, or even payments for contributing compute power, making everything transparent and tamper-proof. It provides a trusted backbone for decentralized operations. 2. Federated learning, simplified for AI. Asterisk this is brilliant for privacy. Instead of sending all your private data, like health records or typing habits, to a central server, your computer keeps its data local. It learns from its own data, then only sends a summary of what it learned, like an updated knowledge packet, back to a main coordinator. The coordinator combines these summaries from many computers to build a better overall AI model, without ever seeing your raw data. Asterisk. Moving to decentralized AI offers significant advantages. 1. Robustness, reliability. Asterisk if one computer in the network goes offline, the others keep working. Your AI system doesn't crash. This makes your applications incredibly reliable. 2. Scalability, growth. Asterisk need more processing power? Just add more computers to the network. It's often easier and cheaper than upgrading one massive central server. 3. Enhanced privacy and security. Asterisk with federated learning, sensitive user data stays on their devices, dramatically reducing privacy risks. Blockchain adds an extra layer of security and transparency to how models are trained and used. 4. Fairness and transparency. Asterisk by distributing control. It's harder for one entity to inject bias. Blockchain can provide an auditable trail of model changes, enhancing trust in AI decisions. While powerful, decentralized AI isn't without its hurdles. 1. Complexity. Managing many computers working together is harder than managing one. You need to think about communication, syncing, and potential errors across a network. Dev solution. We are building new frameworks, like PSIFT for federated learning, and tools to abstract away much of this complexity. 2. Communication overhead. Sending updates efficiently between many computers can be slow or use a lot of network bandwidth. Dev solution. Researchers are optimizing these communication protocols, sending smaller, more efficient updates, and using techniques like sparsification. 3. Security of the network itself. While blockchain adds security, the overall decentralized system needs careful design to prevent malicious actors. Dev solution. Cryptographic techniques and robust consensus mechanisms are vital to ensure integrity and prevent bad actors from poisoning the AI model. Decentralized AI is already changing industries. Healthcare. AI can diagnose diseases better by learning from many hospital datasets without any single hospital revealing patient privacy. Smart cities. Traffic prediction, pollution monitoring, and energy management can be handled by AI models running on sensors in local devices, sharing insights without sending all raw data to a central hub. Autonomous vehicles. Cars could share learning about road conditions or obstacles with nearby vehicles, improving safety for everyone, without sending all driving data back to a manufacturer. The future. Decentralized AI is key to building an Internet of Intelligent Things, where devices, people, and data collaborate securely and efficiently. It's about empowering distributed intelligence. Ready to dive in? Here's how to begin your journey. 1. Learn the basics. Start with understanding fundamental concepts of distributed systems, networking, and maybe a gentle introduction to blockchain technology. 2. Explore frameworks. Look into open source libraries like PSIFT for federated learning, or OpenMind for practical examples and tools. 3. Think distributed. When you're building your next AI project, ask yourself, can this problem be solved more robustly or privately by distributing the work? Single quote. 4. Experiment. Try building a very simple, Hello World, decentralized AI app. The field is growing rapidly, and now is a great time to jump in and contribute. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.